So, are you balding? Like me? Well, that's just life. It can suck, but it actually at the same time can be a really huge benefit. Because when it comes to balding, I don't know about you, man, like I freaked out when I found out, I started noticing the thinner it was getting. And knowing that both my brothers are already getting bald, I was destined to have that happen too. But I was lucky because I managed to keep my hair a little bit longer than they did. And the one thing that was interesting is I used to have really thick, long hair. Like my hair is still really thick when it grows, but obviously less and less each year as it went up there. So I would progressively just cut my hair shorter and shorter. That's just how it went. And then my one brother said, "When are you gonna bick your head?" I'm like, "What the hell do you mean?" You know, shave your head, like actual shave it. So I've tried that with a razor. Not fun. It feels really friggin' weird, to be honest with you. So instead, I've been using a Braun razor, recommended by a friend of mine who's been using one for years. So face, head, the whole thing, it's so much easier. And you know, you get to keep a nice, clean appearance all the time. Like I only shave every second day, maybe once a day, but that's it. And the great thing is, so the benefit, seriously, there are benefits to it. One, you invest in a razor, and that was $300 or $400, I think it was. But think of it over time, how many hair salon, hairstyles, like barbers and all that stuff, you don't have to deal with anymore. And you don't have to wait or go to and from to those places. So you're saving money there. You're never gonna have a bad hair day. Like you could put a hat on, you can be out in the rain, be in the snow. You're not gonna be that guy with the hair sticking up and all over the place, right? So that's a huge benefit. Also, it's a clean look. And if you have kids and that whole lice thing happens in your school, which almost every family has to deal with, you're not getting lice on your head. You're the one who's going to be safe. So there's like lots of little benefits like that are pretty straightforward and easy, and it makes you feel better about the whole process, right? So you don't have hair. What are you going to do? You can be healthy, strong, and fit and look amazing anyway. So, and you know, you could be adventurous. You could be pretty wild and start tattooing your head. I was thinking of that. There's actually one thing that was pretty cool. There was, I saw this one thing. It's not like designs or anything, but it's actually like little tiny dots. So it looks like your hair follicles in there with actual, as if you shaved your head purposely, but you have a full hairline. I was thinking of that, seriously, it looked really cool. Then it's permanent, you don't have to worry about it, and you're done. But maybe down the road, I'll see what happens. But you know, I just wanted to make this video just to make any of you guys out there, or girls who's watching this video, who might be thinning and you might end up having to, you know, bite the bullet and shave your head. It's not bad. It's really actually quite convenient and pretty cool. You swim better too. You're a little smoother going through the water. I don't know if that's true or not, but anyways. But I am planning on making another video later on in regards to treatments that you can do, natural things to grow your hair, because some things do work. They really have documented proof that they do work. And you know, I'll share them with you. I decided I'm good with this. This is me, I'm bald, that's my life. So I'm not gonna bother experimenting with anything else. And I just wanna help see if there are remedies that can help other guys who might be just starting and you can head it off. But anyways, stay tuned for that. And in the meantime, I hope that helped. I hope you feel a little bit better. It's all good. There's a lot of really handsome guys out there who are sporting a bald head. You can be one of them. Just see what it looks like. Give it a go. All right, it'll grow back if it doesn't, to a degree. And anyways, I hope that helped. And you know what? This is all part of Pro Vegan's way of doing things. We help each other. We're here to talk to each other. So buddy, if you want to check out something really cool, where there's more tips and tricks and stuff like that, and a group of guys who are here to hang out and to be there for each other, go to broprovegans.com. That's what it's all about. Hope to see you there. Stay smooth, buddy. Talk to you soon.